This is an activation of the Child Abduction Emergency Alert System, Levi'S call. We have received important information regarding a child abducted from Worth County, Georgia. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation is looking for a 2023 BMW 330i, with Georgia license plate HVR 2913, or a black 2023 Audi S5 Sportback 4-door bearing Georgia license plate GCN 5066. On August 9, 2024, Chelsea Sevierville, white female, 16 years of age, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 128 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes, last seen wearing a black long-sleeve crop top, blue ripped jeans, white sneakers, silver belt, and a black and brown cap. Abducted by Justin Timothy Sevierville and Melissa Sevierville, parents of Chelsea. If you have any information on Chelsea Sevierville, or a 2023 BMW 330i with Georgia license plate HVR 2913, or a black 2023 Audi S5 Sportback with Georgia license plate GCN 5066, please call 911 immediately.